Hello everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. Do you want to boost your online credibility without paying for hosting or building a website? Then in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a professional email address like yourname@yourbrand.com even if you do not have a website. Now, this is a must have for freelancers, entrepreneurs, and personal brands looking to stand out without spending a fortune. So, let's get started. Let's face it, using an email like yourname@gmail.com just doesn't cut it for serious business anymore. While a professional email address instantly boosts your credibility, it shows clients and employers that you're serious, trustworthy, and professional. So, whether you're running a business, freelancing, or building a personal brand, having a custom email like hello@yourbusiness.com makes a strong first impression. And it's not just about looks, it helps build trust, improves communication, and strengthens your brand identity. Now, here's why a custom email is a game changer. You can choose an email that matches your brand name or niche. It makes your messages look more professional and reliable. It's easier to remember, which helps with email marketing and client retention. Plus, with some smart tools, you can even set up autoresponders, filters, and forwarding options, just like big companies do. So, how do you actually set this up? First, you would need an email provider that allows you to use a custom domain without requiring web hosting. Now, some of the great options include Zoho Mail, which offers a free plan for up to 5 users with custom domain support. Then we have Google Workspace. It's paid but super reliable and full of features. Then there's Proton Mail. It's privacy focused and supports custom domains on premium plans. Then we have Namecheap Private Email, which is extremely affordable and easy to use. So basically, look for a provider that offers domain integration, secure email access, storage space, and good customer support. So, how do you exactly set it up? So, firstly, just go ahead and buy a domain name. You can use services like Namecheap, GoDaddy, or Google Domains to buy a domain for as low as $39 per month. So, let's use Zoho Mail as an example. Go to zoho.com/mail, then choose the free plan and enter your domain. Then just go ahead and verify your domain. You'll get a TXT or CNAME record to paste into your domain DNS settings. Then just create your custom email ID and choose something like info@yourdomain.com. And then after that, you can check your emails via Zoho's webmail or configure it with your phone or Gmail app using IMAP or POP settings. And so now that you have a pro email, use it like a pro too. So go ahead and write clear, relevant subject lines. Always proofread your messages as first impressions count. Then set up a professional signature with your name, title, and maybe your logo. And lastly, respond promptly and check your inbox daily. And most importantly, consistency is key. So use your professional email across all your platforms, from resumes to LinkedIn to social media. So, well, there you go. A complex guide to setting up a professional email without hosting. So, whether you're starting your brand or just want to look more professional online, this one simple step makes a big difference.
So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and please do not forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro for more useful tech tips. And if you have any queries regarding this video, do make sure to put them in the comments box below. Thank you and have a nice day.